Hey, Stevie, hey, go on and hit that subscribe button. I know you're watching the video.
Come on, man. Too easy.
Hey, what's happening, Stevie Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, what do we got? That what? That
Weekly
weekly heat,
heat.
baby.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Weekly
sir.
heat.
That
Weekly
weekly.
heat.
Starting off on March 20th, this is the Air Jordan 14. Comes in men's sizing for $210. We'll also be dropping in grade school sizing for $60. This shoe is a very clean shoe, in my opinion. It does come in that flint gray colorway. Predominantly, the shoe is all gray with white coming across the midsole. It does feature some rugged suede. I do think this is a nice touch in my opinion. I do like that little white Jumpman on the front of the toe. This does feature that famous Ferrari logo on the side. Nothing really special about that. It does have that chrome carbon hit in the midsole. On the back, we do have that standard Jumpman with the 2023 on the back in gray. I wish they would have probably did this in white. The shoe would have probably popped a little bit more, but I'm not mad at this. It does feature those gray laces on the tongue. It has standard Jordan 14 across the tongue. Maybe you put some white laces in there, may make the shoe pop a little bit more. At the bottom, we do have that black outsole, again, with that chrome in the middle. I do think it's a nice shoe overall. I'm not sure if they had raised the prices on these, but at $210, this is a little bit steep for Jordan 14. I do see these sitting. Again, this is a clean colorway. And I did like the last colorway that they released, the black and white Jordan 14. Right now, my size 10 is going for $220 on StockX. So again, not a lot of resale on these. So if you want these, you should be able to pick these up fairly easily. They did have another black and white pair that released in December, which I did think is another clean colorway. My size 10 is only going for $236 because Jordan Brand keeps raising up these prices. That's why we have a lot of shoes sitting. But I am rocking these shoes. I do think the Jordan 14 is a nice colorway. The last Jordan 14s that I had are the candy canes, but as I'm getting older, they hurt my feet, so I really can't wear the 14s anymore. So let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? How about you, my brother?
You know what? This is a clean shoe. I really don't get Jordan Brand to be dropping this shoe in the spring. This shoe for me is speaking fall. You know, I can see this shoe sitting, you know, with that price point. It's just a fall shoe, you know, going into the spring. I like the shoe. You would think I don't like this shoe. I will be rocking the shoe, you know, before as a collection, something I must have. I just wait and wait for it to drop. But it is a clean shoe.
This is a very hot week, in my opinion. On March 21st, we do have the Jordan 1 Low OG / Trophy Room collaboration. As you know, Marcus Jordan already released his pairs on his website as well as in-store purchases. We did take a big L on that. However, I am still going to be going for these on the Nike Sneakers app. I do like the away pair better than the home pair. The only difference between the two, it'll be the swooshes. The home pair has the white swoosh and the away pair has the black swoosh. I do think the black swooshes look better. A lot of YouTubers have already reviewed these shoes. We won't go into too much detail of this shoe, but it does kind of remind me of the black toe Jordan 1 Low. It does have that red satin around the toe box. It does feature that aged midsole. Again, black swoosh for the away pair. On the back, it does have a unique corduroy hit on the back, and I do really like the Wings logo on the back, how they have that gold metal plate. It is a very nice touch in my humble opinion. As you know, the away pair should be also coming with the extra set of laces, some yellow pairs. So if you want to make the shoe pop, you can put those in there. It does feature unique Trophy Room branding near the toe box. Overall, this is a clean shoe, in my humble opinion. If you want these, go to scoop these up. I am rocking these as well. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? How about you, my brother?
You know, I'm a one fan. Hey, this shoe is budget friendly. You know, you know, Jordan Brand, they putting some thought behind what they're doing. It's coming out at the right time with it being spring. You know, I like what they're doing there. You know, I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you'll be rocking those or dropping those. But my brother, I will be rocking.
Yes, sir. So finishing off the week, again, my favorite shoe of the week on March 23rd, do have the Air Jordan 9 Powder Blue. This hasn't been re-retroed in a while. One thing that I did notice, they're using some nice leather on these, and I do like on the edges, you see like that powder blue coming through on the edges. There really is a nice touch. Predominant of the shoe is white. It does feature that UNC colorway across the midsole. On the bottom, we do have that regular white outsole, which will get real dirty, and it will have that UNC Jordan Jumpman to make the shoe pop at the bottom. As you know, it does say 1994 at the bottom, as well as the globe, as well as some Chinese writing. So we did ask the question, like, do you know what it means on that back symbol, the Jordan Jumpman? And come to find out, this is the globe. Branding. Also, fun fact to note that on this pair of Jordan 9, the Jumpman is facing the right way, meaning that if you look at other Jordan Jumpmans in the past, if you notice the ball, that he's holding the ball like up in the air, but on some of the older pairs, you see the ball is facing toward the heel. So go ahead and check that out. That is another fun fact about these shoes. And one of the biggest things, which I'm not really mad about, but I do think it would have been a nice touch to have the 23 on the back. But I understand that they're trying to go back more to the OG. Apparently the OGs of this colorway, Powder 9s, didn't have that 23 on the back. So I'm really not mad about that. This is a very clean shoe in my opinion. It will be coming out at a price point of $210 for men's, as well as their have these in grade school at $160. Be coming for little kids at $100, and toddler and the infant for $85. So this is a shoe that you and your whole family can rock. I am rocking these, of course. I will be going for these because you know I collect the UNC colorways. Let me know down in the comments in your heads that you're rocking these or dropping these. How about you, my brother?
You know what? This is a clean shoe. I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Please.